Hi, and welcome to the first presentation tutorial of Nomirun, a toolkit that helps integration teams ship apps faster by cutting boilerplate, enforcing standards, and turning delivery into a smooth, repeatable process. Nomirun is a .NET focused framework and has an unlimited set of possibilities. Today, we'll learn how to install Nomirun and create a template module. Let's jump right in. Best place to start is our website. Go to Google, type in Nomirun, and we're probably the first hit. Clicking on Try Now will take you to our installation guide, which covers all the important questions. We're installing Windows today, but Linux is also a possibility. There's no installer for Mac yet. Bringing Mac users into the Nomi family is definitely high on our roadmap, and it should be available soon. After clicking Download for Windows, the pop-up will appear asking you to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Note that you always download the latest version of it. Once it's downloaded, open it and follow the installation wizard. We suggest that you add Nomirun CLI to the environment path, and that's it. That's all the settings. Just hit install. After it's installed, click finish and launch it straight away. And when it's done installing, it opens a command prompt window. If you favor PowerShell, you can use that too. But for our demo, we'll continue in command prompt. Most commands for Nomi happen through the CLI, and we'll go through the important ones now. But before we begin with anything real, we need to initialize Nomi first. So all we have to do is write Nomi init. It downloads two items. The first is a Nomirun host, which is where the magic happens. The second one is crucial for seamless debugging experience, something we'll explore in a separate video. Nomirun also uses AI for automated documentation generation. If you're like me, you already have a CUDA toolkit downloaded. The CLI detects this, and after typing yes, it's going to ask you if you want to use your existing installation. So I'll just type in yes. It detects my installation, hit enter, and it's configured. Once that's finished, we need to set up where our NuGet packages are going to be saved. Now I already installed Nomirun once, so I have a config already existing on my system. But for today's demo, I'm going to overwrite it and start from scratch. And the first thing, or the most important thing you have to do to configure your NuGet servers, and you can pick one or more. We suggest that you use local folder if you're developing. And I'm gonna also use feeds.io to show you how it looks like. Since I've selected feeds.io, it's first asked me to enter the repository URL. Then we need to add the API key. Make sure to configure this beforehand. We want to use interactive mode. We want to skip duplicated packages. And we probably don't want to store the passwords in clear text. So here is all the steps needed to create our feeds.io NuGet server. Now we've also selected local folder as our NuGet repository folder. So here it's asking me where we want to save it. I've created a folder on one of my drives beforehand, and it checks that the directory exists. And now I have two NuGet servers already configured. And that's all we have to do. We hit yes, enter, and this is it. That's all the steps you need to do, and you can start coding right away. Thanks for joining. Join me next time when we build a Nomirun module.